In a small bowl, combine half a cup of baking soda with a few drops of dish soap and food coloring for a colorful eruption. Then, in a separate container, mix vinegar with water. Slowly pour the vinegar mixture into the bowl with the baking soda. Watch as it bubbles and foams, simulating a volcanic eruption. This fun and safe experiment demonstrates a chemical reaction between an acid and a base. Remember, the more baking soda you use, the bigger the fizz. Perfect for kids and curious minds alike. This hands-on science experiment makes learning fun at home.